Okay, so in level 4, we're graphing 2 lines at once, and when you graph 2 lines at once, you're solving what we call a system of equations. So basically 2 equations, and your solution is where they intersect, where they share the same x and the y value. So if we take a look at number 7, the intersection of these 2 lines, regardless of what their equations are, is where they meet. And this point, 1, -2, is where they meet. And that is what we call the solution. Because they share, at that point, they share the same x and the y value within their equations. Right? Now let's take a look at doing the whole thing. So solving these equations, graphing them, and then writing their solution. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and solve each of these for y. So I'm going to rewrite this. I'm going to add 6 to both sides. I'm going to divide by 2. Okay, so there's line number 1. I'm going to go ahead and graph that now. So y-intercept of 4 and a slope of 3. I'm going to keep on going with this slope here because I don't know where they intersect. So I'm just keep on going to go. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and do the second one. So I'm going to subtract 4x from both sides. So I'm going to go ahead and start at -3, and I'm going to go down 4 and right 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1. I'm also going to go up 4 and over 1. And then there is my intersection point. So that intersection point, whoa, that intersection point, I don't know what's going on here, so I'm going to leave that there. So that intersection point is at -1, +1. So that is what our solution is. Now what that means is if you put in -1 for x and a 1 for y into both equations, they're both going to come out as a true statement, 1 equals 1. So in that one and then this one, so they both come out as true statements, which means both of those points are on the line. So that just means that -1, 1 is your solution because both of those values of x and y make each equation true. Not every point on their graphs would do that for them. So that is your solution. So go ahead and try the level 4s. Give your best shot.